how to form or create an LLC in Delaware. So what you want to do, guys, is go to this website. It's called corpnet.com. So as you can see, it's written like this. Scroll down on the website until you find this page right here, and then search for Delaware right here. As you can see, click on it. It will take you directly into this page. Now all what you want to do here is scroll down, make sure it's LLC Delaware, get started. Click on get started. Now all what you want to do, choose the plan that you want, basic, deluxe, complete. I'm gonna choose the complete plan. Click continue. Now it will take you into this page. Fill those informations here and then click go to payment, and that's it. Very easy and simple, guys. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you very much for watching this video.